request Preeti, Devika and Abhay to kindly take their seats. Did working with Abhay?
How is it? It was horrible.
Horrible. Okay, define horrible and why horrible. It's working. It's working.
Is it working? Yeah. Okay. No, it wasn't horrible. It was great. It was a lot of fun. It was great. It was a lot of fun. Everything went really smoothly. Yeah, it was great.
And now I've learned that you in the movie are an aspiring dancer. Now some great dance moves that you've performed. So tell us about your extensive dance routine that you had to follow and what special did you do to actually come up with such beautiful dance in the movie?
Well, Samara's been dancing since she was 4 years old. So it's not your typical Bollywood type of dancing. It was like ballet and jazz. So yeah, before the film started, I started training 5 months prior, every day in ballet and jazz, and hopefully I'll be convincing enough as a dancer in the film.
No, trust me, the promos look absolutely stunning. Now moving down to Devika. Now, very simple question. Are you great friends with Abhay? So tell us, how was your experience shooting with Abhay and Preeti? And because the promos look absolutely killer. When you watch them, everybody was, they were having a chat that the direction looks superb. Everybody's waiting to watch the movie. So tell us about your experience for 1x2.
Working with Abhay was basically, we've known each other for 10 years. So it was like a sibling relationship, it's like brother and sister. We fight like that, and we make up like that. So it was really easy. We've been speaking the same film language for such a long time. We like the same kind of films. So with him, it was really easy. With Preeti, we had a great pre-shoot bonding experience where we worked one-on-one on the script. So we got to know each other as people, as actor, director. So it was brilliant. Smooth sailing.
I've been paid to ask this question.
What?
I've been paid to ask one question. Is that, do Abhay and Preeti justify the role that you've been given, that, you actually wanted them to portray in the movie? Do they justify that role?
I know Abhay to be a bigger brat than he is in the film, so I wish he had been more real in terms of that, in terms of his bratty, spoiled self. But Preeti's definitely justified her role. She's mature and independent.
So 10 years friendship comes to this, that
Yes,
he could have been
he's a
bigger
brat.
brat.
See how grateful they are, no?
And now, Abhay, asking you, this is one of your first movie as a producer. So how was it producing your very own movie?
It's been actually a really great experience. To make the film actually was the easiest part. I contacted Devika, then had the script developed. I had a co-producer who got in a studio. Then I have a partner in my company who's actually standing way back there. He's there, the bearded man, who basically made it happen. So as a team, I think I had a really good team backing me up. I did my bit, Sanjay, my partner, did his bit, Amit Kapoor, and then Viacom. So it's been a dream run. I can't complain.
And also, now this movie, you're an artist. You like to doodle around a lot. Now the movies that you've done previously, you've done Devdi, you've done a lot of serious movies, a lot of action. I can't say action, but a lot of serious movies you've done with Hrithik Roshan and all these stars. Now, what is different in this movie, and what should the people look out for when they go to see this movie?
This one, it's in the line of most of the work I've done, which is, a film that would be dressed up with all, dressed up in an entertaining fashion. So like in our movies, music and dance play a very crucial role. So I tend to have a lot of that put in then as part of the packaging. But as far as the content is concerned, as far as the plot is concerned, it's content that will be original. Something that you haven't seen before.
Fabulous. And one question, see, I belong to this age group of 22 to 25. I just wanted to ask this because everywhere you go, you heard this song, I'm just fuck out. What made you come up with that song?
This person came up with that song, I would imagine. That's a question for Devika.
Yeah, then why don't you answer it?
Maybe people tell her that a lot.
certain amount of angst that I wanted to portray in the song, frustrations of daily life, frustrations of career. You know, so it's something that I talked about with Amitabh Bhattacharya, and he just completely got it. It's all credit to him. I'm just pakaut picha dukhaut.
Fab. And one last question before we, since this is the merchandise launch for Bewkoof.com, now you've been doodling a lot in the movie, and they've actually incorporated your doodling on their t-shirts. They sell some fabulous merchandises online. So for the people here, it's www.bewkoof.com. You can buy exclusive merchandises there. So tell us, how did you feel that your doodling and your artistic work is now being printed on a t-shirt and being sold, all across?
You know, actually, I've had a history with doodles and t-shirts. I used to do storyboards for ads when I was 17. Then I did do t-shirts way back in 2000. Actually, I was in the Goa flea market selling them. This is my pre-film career. So Devika knew that, of course, and I'd made enough doodles of her for long enough for her to say, okay, let's use your doodling for the film as well. And I said, sure. That's how it came about in the movie, and then now this tie-up with Bewkoof.com, which is great. For me, it's an experiment again. I've done this in the past, and if it does well, then I would probably do T-shirts, in collaboration either with a Bewkoof or anybody else to sell outside of, an association with my film. These are associated with my movie.
And what do you like to do more? Do you like to, your pre-film things that you used to do in the flea market in Goa, did you enjoy that more, or did you enjoy working in films more?
I just enjoyed what I did in the moment, whatever it may have been. So I enjoyed making the t-shirts and selling in the market as much as I enjoyed making movies, but obviously my passion is primarily film more than t-shirts.
Fabulous. And with this, I would like to...
I'm the co-founder of Bewkoof.com. So Bewkoof is India's one of the coolest brand of India, a youth brand, and we are very excited about this project for having Abhay on board with us, because we believe he's one of the biggest youth icon of the country. So it's a good match for us.
Not only that, but my parents have always called me Bewkoof. So it's perfect.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, with all the marketing and running around that I'm doing, I have no time for any feeling. I only have time to catch up to what has not been done.
So wishing you all the best for your movie, 1x2. And anybody here who wants to ask a question from the media? Yes, we got a mic.
Well, Abhay, are you looking great, man? You're looking great.
Hello. Abhi, please, hello. हम, excuse me, photographers. हम हमेशा cooperate करते हैं आपके साथ. करते हैं नहीं. जब आप बोलती है यहाँ खड़ो करते हैं नहीं. अभी हमें questions पूछ रहे हैं लोग. Please अभी हमारी भी बात सुनकर हमें कुछ question answer करने दो. फिर आप वापस शुरू हो जाना. इसको भी एक दोस्त मिल गई है अभी. Yeah, wow. Anyways. Ask.
Wow, yeah, anyway. So, Abhay, we have been watching you acting on the screen with the other directors and producer. Now you are a producer, so you are the owner of the movie itself, should say. So how different is